Hello dear friends, today we are going to prepare one of the most popular and favorite salads, classic Caesar. This salad with crisp romaine leaves, juicy chicken, tasty breadcrumbs and delicate sauce will leave no one indifferent. Follow my recipe to learn how easy it is to make this restaurant masterpiece in your own kitchen. Products needed for Caesar salad. Chicken, fillet, 220 to 250 grams, hard cheese, preferably Parmesan, 50 to 70 grams, white loaf 100 grams, lettuce 100 grams, cherry tomatoes 12 to 15 pieces, peeled walnuts 100 grams if desired, olive oil 70 to 100 grams, garlic 1 to 2 pieces, sweet paprika. For the dressing: mayonnaise 5 tablespoons, mustard 1 teaspoon, olive oil 2 tablespoons, boiled egg yolk 1 piece. Salt, pepper to taste, dried oregano 1 pinch. Let's start with the croutons. In a frying pan pour a little olive oil and chop garlic through a garlic grinder, but you can or on a fine grater. I fry the garlic and strain the oil into a bowl and add the diced bread. Stir well so that the oil is absorbed into the bread. Pour it on the baking tray. And send to the oven for 10 minutes, mode top-bottom 200 degrees. The time depends on your oven. The main thing is not to overcook. You can also heat some olive oil in a frying pan with a peeled clove of garlic, then remove the garlic and fry the croutons. Or if the Caesar is plain, dry in the oven about 15 to 20 minutes at 170 to 180 degrees. Or fry on a dry skillet, stirring until browned. While our croutons are frying, let's prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken breast into small cubes, slightly frozen, to make it easier to cut. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan. Add the chicken pieces to the pan with oil, salt and sweet paprika. Now, just roast until cooked through, about 8 to 10 minutes. Look at how the chicken cubes turned out golden color, just like you wanted. I'll put them in a bowl, and while they cool down, I'll prepare the other ingredients. I grate the hard cheese on a fine grater. And I cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Now it's time to make the salad dressing. In a bowl, I mix together the mayonnaise, mustard, and olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then, I add a little yolk to help it all come together. I season it with just a pinch of salt and pepper, and a sprinkle of oregano. I give it a good whisk, and there you have it. I've got another version of this sauce for you. If you're short on time or just want to keep it simple, you can skip the classic Caesar dressing and drizzle the salad with olive oil and lemon juice instead. You can even wipe the plate with a cut garlic clove for a little extra flavor. Now it's time to boil those hard-boiled eggs. Once they're done, coarsely slice them and set them aside. Give your salad leaves a quick rinse and dry them off with your hands. This helps preserve all those lovely salad properties. Once they're dry, tear them into pieces and place them on your plate. If you're using nuts, chop them up. It's best to dry them in the oven or on a frying pan. All the ingredients are ready. Now it's time to put everything together and make your salad. It's best to do this before serving, otherwise the breadcrumbs will become soft. Now for the fun part. Add the chicken to the salad leaves and pour the sauce. You can mix the salad leaves with the sauce and then top with the chicken pieces, or do it any way you like. Now for the fun part. Add tomatoes, eggs, nuts, and cheese on top of the salad, and top it all off with croutons. Serve the salad immediately and enjoy. Thank Thank you so much for making this delicious Caesar salad with me. I really hope you liked the recipe and are enjoying its fresh flavor and exquisite ingredients. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments and feedback are always so important to me. I'd love to hear how you did and what recipes you'd like to see in the future. And please click on the bell so you don't miss my new videos. I'll see you all again soon, and I hope you enjoy.